National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern NOAA County in south-central Texas, northeastern Claiborne County in south-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles east of Kingsville Naval Air Station, or 15 miles southeast of Driscoll, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corpus Christi, Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, South Texas Botanical Gardens, Kings Crossing Subdivision, Padre Valley Park, Waldron Field, Malaquite Beach, and Chapman Ranch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Baffin Bay and Upper Laguna Madre, coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles north of Riviera Beach, or 29 nautical miles southwest of Portland, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Malaquite Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.